Now, there is no doubt enthusiasm for the Ford Ranger is off the charts. And the hardworking men and women at Michigan Assembly Plant will work hard to deliver our newest trucks for our customers. And once again, the dedicated men and women of Michigan Assembly Plant and UAW Local 900 are ready to answer the call. First with the all-new Ranger this year, and then starting in 2020, the Ford Bronco. You know, I love it when I get a chance to go to our plants and ask our employees, even when they're outside our plants, where they work. And it really is cool and with a sense of pride when our employees say they work for the Fords. They work at Fords. And I love that turn of phrase. It's actually intentional, as you know, because it highlights that we are a family business with family connections. We take care of our family because we do work for the Fords, as in the Ford family. I think that says a lot about our company and who we are. As big as this company is, over 200,000 employees worldwide, this is still a family business, and a lot of pride comes from that. We're very proud of our F-Series trucks that have been the best-selling vehicles in the U.S. for 36 straight years and the best-selling truck for 41 years. That doesn't happen by accident. We are constantly working to make our vehicles even better for our customers. And the Ford Ranger shares in that Built Ford Tough legacy. Ranger is Built Ford Tough. It delivers Ford trucks' fundamental capability and quality, coming to market with best-in-class payload, towing, and off-road capabilities. Let's check out the numbers. Ranger has more than 1,800 pounds of payload capacity. That is best in class. Ranger delivers 7,500 pounds of towing. That, too, is best in class for gas-powered engines. Plus, our 2.3-liter EcoBoost and our 10-speed transmission deliver 310 pound-feet of torque. Our 4-cylinder standard engine, which makes more torque than all of our competitors' V6 gas engines. Think about that technology.